Finding the perfect family home in the city can sometimes feel like a daunting task. Let me show you why this one might make it a little easier.
Located on a quiet crescent in the west end of Belleville and within a great school district, this 4+ bedroom, 2 full and 2 half-bath home checks so many boxes. It backs onto peaceful woodland, offers the privacy families love, and even includes a backyard favorite, an in-ground pool.
Have I piqued your interest? Come, take a tour with us.